Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm making butter chicken. I have here 2 pounds of chicken breast cut into little cubes, and I'm gonna start putting stuff for the marinade. Let's make the marinade. I have here a cup of yogurt, and I'm going to put some spices in it of red pepper, not too much, maybe half teaspoon of coriander powder, maybe a spoonful of salt, half teaspoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a tablespoon of oil, olive oil, half teaspoon of cumin powder, and maybe a tablespoon of garlic and ginger crushed up. So I'm going to mix this. After you put the marinade, you set that aside in the fridge, and we can start making the sauce for this. Until then it chills and marinates. And for the sauce we need 2 cans of tomato sauce, maybe half a cup of whipping or heavy cream, and we need a tablespoon of fenugreek dried leaves. It's this here. It's called kasuri methi. And we need half a teaspoon of red pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. And we need a stick of butter cut into little cubes and keep it in the refrigerator. So I have it in the fridge. I'll let you know when we use that. So let's make the sauce. Okay, here I have 2 cans of tomato sauce, and I put a can of water in it. We are going to cook it and let it thicken up. It will take maybe 15-20 minutes. So this has been cooking for 10-11 minutes. I am going to go ahead and put the chilled butter that I cut into small cubes. Here goes all the ingredients. Add the whipping cream or heavy cream. Last thing we put is half a teaspoon of salt. We can check it at the end if we need more. Our sauce is ready. We set this aside and we are going to cook the chicken. Okay, so this has been cooking for about 7 minutes. Most of the water has evaporated, only a little bit of the sauce is left, as you can see. Now we are going to mix it with the sauce. And here we need to just put it on low heat and check the sauce. Perfect. So here we have perfect buttered chicken. Thank you for watching the video.